Hey everyone, let's dive into a question that's fascinated humanity for centuries. Is global human unity possible? It's a dream that touches the core of our being, a longing for connection, peace, and understanding. But let's get practical. Could all 8+ billion of us live together in one place? Not really. The logistics, resources, and space required would be overwhelming. Earth simply couldn't handle that level of population density. But if we mean living in peace and unity, working towards common goals, now that's a different story. Historically, humanity has been divided by cultural differences, economic inequality, religion, political ideologies, and resource scarcity. Yet we've made massive strides in cooperation. Look at the United Nations, international scientific collaborations, and space exploration efforts. When humanity works together, we achieve incredible things. However, humans have an instinct to form groups based on identity. We create divisions to feel safe and understood, but it's also in our nature to connect, empathize, and unite. So what would it take for true human unity? It would need a radical shift in consciousness and transformative global changes. Here are a few. First, a common threat or opportunity. Historically, humans unite most when facing existential threats like pandemics or climate crises. Similarly, positive opportunities like space colonization or environmental restoration could inspire global cooperation. Second, eliminating scarcity. Scarcity of resources causes conflict. If technology can create abundance through renewable energy and sustainable agriculture, we can reduce competition over resources. Third, a new global ethic. We need a cultural narrative emphasizing our shared humanity. Education, media, and leadership should promote empathy, equality, and understanding. The internet has brought us closer. Future technologies like AI, universal translators, and virtual realities can break down barriers and foster empathy across languages and cultures. Will it happen? It's hard to say. Human unity is possible, but not guaranteed. We're at a critical crossroads. On one hand, we have the tools to build a more connected, peaceful world. On the other, division and conflict still plague us. One thing is clear. Humans have an innate capacity to evolve and adapt. We've overcome incredible odds before, and we can do it again. Thinkers like Carl Sagan and Elon Musk believe space colonization is key to human unity. Seeing Earth from space, small, fragile, and shared, changes perspectives. Astronauts often talk about the overview effect, realizing borders are meaningless and humanity is one. Imagine a future where human unity is the mission. Like space agencies or environmental movements, we could make global peace, sustainability, and unity our mission. It starts with small steps, understanding and empathy, education and communication, and working toward shared goals. This vision might seem distant, but the seeds already exist. It's up to us, those who care deeply about humanity and the environment, to nurture them. Let's explore ways to promote this message and make it a reality. Thanks for watching. Let's make unity our mission. See you next time.